Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio W96H. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, make sure you are in the timekeeping mode. It will look like this, but if not, then you can press and hold the mode button until you get the beep and it will go to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And yes, the second is flashing or blinking. So if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. If we press this one, the lower right button, like this, okay? And if it is 29 or less, if we press this button, it will reset, becoming 0 without additional minute. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can change the number by pressing this one, the lower right button, but it will only goes up or increasing. So yes, if let's say I want to set as 13, then I will need to press and hold and okay. So press one by one if almost reaching the number like this. Okay, press again the mode button and now we are setting the minute. So let's say I want to set as 45. This is already 48. I can use this button on the lower right to increase because there's no button to decrease. So press and hold until almost 45. Okay, and then press one by one until I get to the number that I want. Okay, now press again the mode button and we are now setting the year. Also the same thing, use the lower right button to increase the number. And yes, if it's already passing the number or the year that you want, you can press and hold and it will cycle back after 2099. So wait, yes. And yes, let me set as 2024. Okay, so release the button and then press one by one until you get the number that you want. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the month. Also the same thing, you can only increase using this one, the lower right button. Okay, 10, 11, 12, okay. And then press the mode button and now is the date, also the same button. And yes, if I want to set back to 3, then 3, then this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then press the mode button and done. And yes, now you can press the adjust button. And yes, we have set the basic setting for this watch, Casio W96H. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.